All right, I'm getting the timer set, 30 seconds per move. Let's get ready to go. This is a beginner's cheer workout. Arms out to the side. I want you to lift up. As you're lifting up, I want you to focus on a few things here. I'm pulling my stomach in nice and tight, and I'm lifting my chin up. I don't want to be sagged in. I'm making sure my back is nice and straight, and every time I lift up, I'm squeezing my chest muscles, all right? We're going for 30 seconds here. And then we're going to move on to the next exercise. Come on, keep on breathing. We're going to go out to the side next. This is working the front delt of the shoulder out to the side. Every time that annoying clock goes off, that's how you know we're on to the next phase, right? So come on, focus. Lift up nice and tall. And if you notice, I'm sitting to the edge of the chair as well. I'm not sitting back into the chair. We're going to raise to the top of the roof next. We're going to raise the roof up. There we go. Come on, baby. Let's go. We're just getting started. 10 minutes. Now, press up. And every time you press up, you're going to come down to a 90-degree bend. You don't have to come all the way down here. Raise up to the top. Go to your pace. If you have a shoulder problem, you cannot raise up to the top, then go back to the front raises. Find something that you can handle. Breathe, baby. We're going to go to the legs next. Single leg lift. Few seconds. That's right. Okay? Lift that leg up. Go up as high as you can. And every time you land, I don't want you to land and smack your foot down hard. I want you to control your posture. You're working those hip flexors, working those quads. You should feel that burn fired up to those thighs. Come on, baby. Ain't nobody in the world more important than you. You know that, right? Let's go. Come on. You deserve the best you ever. No excuses. Come on, lift that leg up. Next side. Don't tell me you can't. Don't tell me it's too hard. Hard is a state of mind. Okay, push yourself. If you could only do this, and that's all you got, that's okay. But just give me the work. Don't give up. When you give up, I get mad. Let's go. Now we're going to alternate the legs. We're going to go left and right. We're doing single. Now we're alternating, all right? In a few seconds. Here we go. All right? Alternate. Take your time. Pull that navel in. Pull the shoulder back. Stop slouching your back. Come on. Sit up proud. Sit up tall. Be confident, baby. Confidence is the name of the game. Beautiful. We're going to keep on raising those legs up. We're going to add the side raise and the front raise as a combo. We're going to add actually the front raise and the shoulder presses as well. I'm going here and then to the front and to the side. We're going to do the shoulder presses later. Now, if you notice, I'm creating a different pattern every time. In other words, make it your own. As long as you're doing the movements, that's what matters. See, I'm doing a single, single. I'm doing a single, single. And I'm doing a double, double. See, double marching. As long as you make it your own, that's what matters. Come on. Good. Now, raise up and back here. Big breaths in, big breaths out. Put a smile on your face, baby. Woo, baby, I hate Donovan Green. He gets on my nerves. I know. I can feel your pain, though. I can feel your pain. Let's go. Come on, get him up. You think you hate me now? Wait until this exercise come up. Straight leg lifts. Straight leg lifts. It's going to happen in a few seconds. Come on. Left leg is out. Lift that leg up and tap. Up and tap. Don't let me see no smacking down on the ground like that. Lift the leg up and control down. Come on. Pretend you have some eggs underneath your foot and you don't want to crush those eggs. You want to stay gentle. And don't tell me you want scrambled eggs, Donovan. No. Don't crush the eggs. They ain't do nothing to you. Land soft. Get those activations going on right through here. Woo, baby. That body temperature should be up. Next leg. Breathe and put a smile on your face. Woo. Where we at? Let me check that timer real quick. Oh, man. After this, we're halfway through, and you're doing fantastic. Come on. Lift it up. The straighter the leg, the more to work. So if you feel too much pressure in your knee, bend the knee a bit, just like this. You give me that same rhythm. All right, come on, let's go. We're going to go back to the top now. The front raises. Up. This time I'm going a little faster, more continuous. Oh, yeah. If you want to make this even more intense, grab some 3-pound dumbbells, some 5-pound dumbbells, and if you're really strong, go ahead for the hundreds. No hundreds. Just go for light weights, can of beans, bottles of water, whatever you got. As long as you're working some resistance, but I want you to focus on your body, focus on your mind. Come on, baby. Out to the side. And yes, I'm talking with you the whole time because you know what? When I'm talking to you, that's me breathing. And I want you to hear my voice all the time. I need for you to remember you are number one, nobody else. Treat yourself first to everything in life, and everything else will follow. Come on, baby. Focus on that breath. Big inhale, big exhale. Oh, I'm starting to feel that burn. Woo, baby. Make no mistake about it. It might look easy, but when you start focusing on the contraction, you begin to feel that. You feel that? I know you do. Come on, baby. Pull those abs in nice and tight. Raise that roof up. We're going to go to those single leg raises. A few more seconds. The clock will beep. Single leg raises. Come on. I'm going to give you more tempo now. I'm going one after the next. Before, it was a little slower. Now, it's a little faster. Come on, breathe, baby, breathe. Ooh, that leg is burning. Can you feel that leg right there burning? Can you feel that burning? Because I can feel it. Come on, baby, come on. Woo, embrace the burn. Next leg. Like I say all the time, your body is just a body until you make it a temple. So you got to be ready to go. You can play around if you want to play around, but I'm going to tell you something. All of the other thousands of people that's following cheer workouts, they're not playing around, and they're getting the results. So now it's time for you to get it. And if you're one of those people that got the results, thumbs up, baby. This ain't no game. Ain't no game. Nobody said it's going to be easy. So come on, put a smile on your face or cry. But as long as you keep my repetitions, that's all that matters. Let's alternate it. Now, I'm going to do a little bit of different movements here. I'm just doing a side-to-side work, activating a little bit of that torso. So we're twisting opposite side. Come on. Breathe, baby, breathe. Big breaths in, big breaths out. Big breaths in, big breaths out. Come on, let's go. Let's go. It's almost over, though. It's not done yet. Now, keep on marching. Now, I'm going to lift that leg up and the arm. Remember, move at your rhythm. I could go out to the side. My legs is going to march the whole time. Nothing pretty. Just working. March it up. Whatever you want. You want to do single, single. Remember, do single, single. Mix it up. Come on. Woo. Don't worry about following my rhythm. This is your dance. Your dance. We're going to do straight legs out. Legs out. Come on, up. I'm going my speed now. Oh, man. If you have to grab those legs, which I do, grab them. Grab those legs. Come on. Help yourself up, but don't stop. It's almost over. We literally have the last minute. Come on. Woo. Next leg. Ready? Let's go. Next leg. Come on. Oh, yeah. I want you to focus. Focus. Don't let nothing stop you from your rhythm. I want you to push those muscles. Yell, scream. Ain't nobody coming to help you anyway. Nobody. Because they already know you're working out with this crazy guy. Oh, God. Oh, God, help me. Those legs need work. Come on. My legs too skinny to be doing this stuff. All right, here we go. This is going to be a finisher. I'm adding this into the mix. Come on, get the legs in and out. Look at me. I don't want to see your legs doing this. You see my knees doing this? No. I want the legs to open and close. Open and close. Let's go. Big finish. Come on. Work through it. Keep that chest up. Focus. Keep on focusing. Push. Woo. Keep it up, baby. Keep it up. We're almost there. Yeah. Come on, baby. That's what I'm talking about. We did it. 10 minutes is up. You rocked it. You did a great job. I want you to do better in the next round. In every single workout, I need you to be more intense. I want you to dig deep into your spirit, get into your soul, get into your mind, get into your heart, and I want you to go. I want you to push, all right? This is Donovan Green from chairworkouts.com. Don't forget, your body is just a body until you make it a temple. I'll see you next time. Later.